In this video, I'm going to show you how it's possible to make money online with PLR. And it doesn't matter if you're over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70, or even over 80. Now, just to be clear, you can be under 40, but this works for everybody, especially if you're getting on a bit like me. Now look, I was 50 when I went into this business full time. And at that time, I was in a complete hole financially. I was completely up to my neck in debt. I'd maxed out all my credit cards, all my overdrafts, and I didn't know what I was going to do. But what I decided to do was turn to the internet, and you may have done this yourself, and typed in how to make money online. Now, the results that came up led me down a few rabbit holes, and I ended up being drawn in by the sales pages and all their amazing claims on, push button riches, etc. And I decided to invest in some of those products, and I did what they said. I did absolutely what they said, followed the instructions to the letter, and I went beyond what was required because I was so desperate to make money and so desperately keen to make this work. And lo and behold, it didn't work. I didn't make anything. I didn't make a single penny. And obviously I was very disappointed, but I could see that people were making money online. So I knew that it must be possible. There must be a way. And I was determined to find that. And I did finally find it. I did pull myself out of that hole. So I went from being broke to financially stable, and it all started with one piece of PLR. So private label rights are very important to me because it's the kind of springboard for my career when it comes to making money online. And I want to explain to you how you can do the same and how it's really, really easy. So private label rights basically means a product that is a digital product like an ebook or a series of videos, etc., that you can claim as your own. And that means you don't have to actually go and create it. So if you're not that way inclined, and if you don't enjoy creating digital products and that kind of stuff, then buying PLR is a great way to start. I bought one piece of PLR and I managed to turn that into an $8,400 launch. All right. And then the next launch that I did, I taught people how I did that. So everything came from that one piece of PLR. But what I did with the PLR was I looked at it and thought, oh, this isn't really what I was looking for. And I recreated the whole thing. I went way beyond recreating it. I did what I call pimping it, and I turned it into something that was completely unrecognizable from the original product that I'd bought. But again, for a lot of you, that's not going to be ideal. Number one, you might not have the time. Number two, you might not have the experience. Number three, you might not have the inclination. It just might not be what you want to do. So you might want something that you can literally just go and get and sell. And obviously that's the easiest way. Now, the beauty of digital products is that they don't cost you anything. You don't have to hold stock. So if you buy a piece of PLR, you can sell it once, you can sell it 100 times, you can sell it 1,000 times, you can sell it 10,000 times, 100,000 times. It won't make any difference. You put it on a platform to sell it and you keep the money. So PLR is definitely a great place to start if you're a newbie and you've not made any money online before. Now, I just want to say, I know that I've got my Christmas jumper on. I know that it's Christmassy behind me, and what I'm about to show you is a Christmas special. But if you are watching this any other time of the year other than Christmas, December-y kind of time of year, then don't think, oh, this isn't going to work because it's not Christmas. This is an evergreen product and it will work whatever time of year it is that you're watching this video. So I'm going to go over to my computer now and we're going to take a look at what I've got for you, because this is a fantastic opportunity for you to make some fast money online. Now, I've got to say that these that I'm about to show you, these PLR packages, are a far cry from the PLR that I kickstarted my career with. I think that was probably about $5. Now, this is a full bundle, but you get a lot more with it. So let me just quickly run through what you're going to get. You're going to get these 8 unrestricted private label rights packages. So the first one is WordPress Mastery Kit. You can see here that the quality of the graphics and everything is fantastic. And in this particular one, you're going to get 4 video courses, 19 video lessons, professionally created, jam-packed with value and ready to be rebranded as your own. Then there's the keto cooking fire sale. So straight away, look at the difference. You've got a lot of diversity in the niches. WordPress, that's going to appeal to a very broad audience. Keto cooking, extremely popular, So in this one, you get 100 keto cooking recipe HD videos and then 50 cooking recipe videos and unrestricted PLR. This one alone, I mean, even the first one, but this is just, it's unbelievable. the value here is incredible. So great package to get started with. So that's the keto cooking fire sale. Keto recipe videos, 100 plus recipe videos, keto recipe videos, 50 recipes done for you, and unrestricted PLR. So again, if you look at these two, right, if you wanted to go into the kind of weight loss and that sort of niche, then, and you wanted to niche down into keto, then you've got a good start there straight away. Then we've got make money with AI video marketing. So it says, with this product, not only do you receive these top-notch courses, but we're also including sales material to help you promote this deal. Everything has been done for you, from product creation to marketing it. Again, nice graphics, really good stuff. Then we've got kids stories mega pack, 50 engaging video stories, 50 enchanting ebooks, 50 editable e-cover raw files, high quality done for you sales material with unrestricted PLR. Again, another niche. You know, this is such a fantastic bundle. Then we've got the cooking video library. So if you, and following that is kids coloring books. So you can actually, if you wanted to go into various niches, you could do that. But what you can do as well is you could use these as upgrades. So you got the kids story mega pack, and then you might have the kids coloring book as an upsell, for example. But you've got the cooking video library with 200 HD cooking videos, 50 healthy cooking recipe ebooks, 800 cooking articles. The kids coloring book, you've got access to 10 kids coloring books along with 20 pages. So again, great looking stuff. And then we've got the sales page graphic pack, a collection of 1,000 polished bubble images, 100 tentative sales page backgrounds, 600 ebook templates, 600 sales page banners, 100 vertical ad templates, and 50 social media ad templates. Again, a great pack, and you're going to get PLR to all of these. Then we've got 12 private label rights upgrade packages here, IM PLR. So email marketing with AI. This is an email marketing with AI, complete done for you product design to help businesses capitalize on the rapidly growing digital marketing industry. And then we've got YouTube channel profits. Again, great graphics, really nice looking stuff. We've got Meta AI expertise. So really up to date stuff here as well. Google business profile, Microsoft Copilot AI expertise, TikTok earning hack, make money freelancing. All right. Then we've got health and self-help niche PLRs. We've got the calisthenics workout mastery. Again, great looking graphics, nice package. Live life positively. We've got vegan lifestyle for beginners, very hot topics. Yoga for GERD, stress less to achieve more. And the price for this is currently $67 for the whole package. You get everything for that. Plus you can get $10 off, so you can get it for $57 if you use XPLR10. Okay, so fantastic value, incredible package, very diverse, lots and lots of stuff in there, really high quality, and I wish something like this had been around for such a low price when I was starting. Now that is a really good offer, but just to sweeten the deal even further for you, if you pick this up through me, I'm going to give you instant access to the following bonuses. So you're going to get 500 fantasy colouring pages with PLR. With these colouring pages, that means you can create colouring books and you can put them on sites like Amazon KDP and generate a passive income. So you're going to get 500 fantasy colouring pages, 500 farm life colouring pages, 1,000 extra farm life colouring pages, 25 dino books, 200 travel videos with PLR, plus another 300 travel videos with PLR, 15 million PLR assets, 300 drone footage videos with PLR. Also going to give you my training on how to create your own stunning colouring pages, and brand new training on how to create your own digital PLR colouring books to sell and keep all the money. Also going to give you access to my intrinsic masterclass, which I sell at $497, and you're going to get my training on how to set up your own product on Warrior Plus in a VIP coaching webinar replay. I'm also going to give you Commissionlicious, valued at $997, and then all the following bonuses that you see down here. All right, so a massive bonus bundle worth a lot of money, and you get that absolutely free of charge just when you buy through me. So I've just been chatting to the vendor and I've managed to get us even more bonuses. So aside from everything you've just heard, we're also going to get these. eCover Maniac 154 ebook cover templates with PLR. PSD pre-made ebook cover template edition 47 with PLR. Ebook cover creator with MRR, that's master resale rights. Traffic overdrive workbook with MRR. How to build and profit from your own lists with PLR. Video tutorials PLR. Email marketing video tutorials with MRR. PLR. Just Launch upgrade package with MRR, Affiliate Marketing Gains upgrade package with MRR, and the Savvy Entrepreneur upgrade package with MRR. Also going to get Peaceful Christmas at Home Interiors Colouring Book with PLR, Dragons and Fairies Fantasy Colouring Book with PLR, From Earth to Stardust, The Children's Tale, PLR, Nutrition for Children, PLR, Children's WP Theme, PLR, 45 Halloween Stock HD Photos Collection, PLR, Angel Colouring Book, MRR, Halloween Graphics, MRR, Children and Strangers Security, MRR, and 10 children's colouring books with RR. Resale rights. Now look guys, if you're getting any value out of this video or you've got value out of my previous videos, I'd really appreciate it. It would really help me if, and it's just free for you, if you could just give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below that you're going to give this a go. Just say, Trev, I'm going to give this a go, and I will personally reply to your comments. Finally, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I'm producing a lot of free training on a regular basis. Just click on subscribe, notification bell for all notifications, and you'll know when I upload something new. So go ahead and check out the link below this video, lock that deal in and get started with this. This is the perfect time and the perfect way to start your online career in making money online with PLR, private label rights. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you on the next video. All the best.